Hey guys.
Hey.
Is that new location up and running yet?
Almost. They had us packing up clothes to ship over there.
Yeah, it took us a little longer than we expected, and I think I might have pulled something.
Well, y'all better get some rest. It is a big day tomorrow.
Will do.
I'll see you guys later.
Yeah,
Bye.
see you tomorrow.
Oh, hey Stan. How's the piping? Is it almost finished?
Nah, maybe by the morning.
Oh, wow. Looks like you'll be here all night.
Nah, I'll be out of here before you.
We'll see about that. Take it easy, Stan.
You too.
Oh, I almost forgot to let the cleaning crew inside. Good evening, y'all. Welcome yourselves in.
Finally.
Sorry. Oh, hey, are you forgetting something? That's... What the... What is that? What happened to you? I just saw you go inside.
It wasn't me. And I did, but it wasn't me. But it looked like me, but it wasn't me.
Calm down. I'm gonna get you help.
Save them.
Okay, just stay with me, okay? Save them.
Don't shoot me! Wait, is that me too? Ah!
Casey! Which one's the real Casey?
Let her go.
You okay?
I'm fine.
Make sure she's okay and call the paramedics for the girl outside.
But it could be anybody.
Just get out. Stan, did you see anyone run around here? Stan, did you hear me? Stan!
Oh my god. Alex, what are you doing? You scared the crap out of me. Why do you have your taser, John? What's going on?
Whoa, there's a murderer in the building.
What? What do they look like?
Well, that's just it. First, he looked like one of the store employees. Then he looked like one of the cleaning crew members. And Stan, where'd you go?
You mean this guy? What is going on here? What is that?
Well, it was you.
Come on, I'm not that ugly.
Just help me drag this out of here.